We are everybody and their dog.
Hello.
We need a suggestion to begin some monologues from which we will play some scenes. So I need a suggestion for something unusual that bounces. What'd you say?
I said cats.
Cats bounce.
Yeah.
Cats, that's the first suggestion. We'll
Cats
take
bounce. The very first time I was introduced to a cat, I was 4. I didn't know they weren't supposed to bounce. I also didn't know they had claws, and they use those claws when they love you. What a concept, right? The cat's on me, and he's needing. He needs me. And I throw him, and I hit the garage door, and he bounces. Simba never came back. We never saw him again. I was 4. It was the first pet I had owned, and needless to say, for the next 10 years, it was the last.
It was the last time I ever offered to drive somebody somewhere in my pickup truck because they always wanted me to load something in that was heavy. It was a piano, and I was surprised. An upright that some dog had chewed the legs off of, so it did not balance well. And we loaded it into the back of the truck. We had to tie it fairly well, got on the freeway, and when it fell out,
I said, you owe me for gas, because I'm not picking that up. That's what I do when I give people favors. I expect something in return. It's an old salesman trick. You say, what do I get out of the deal? So I asked him to stop and buy me a senior coffee. But see, I can't get the senior coffee. I'm not yet 55 or older.
When you are 55 or older, you can get senior everything. In fact, next Wednesday, I can go to the state fair for nothing. It's true. I can walk around all of those buildings. I can go to the No Longer Freak shows, and for nothing. It's going to be fabulous.
It's going to be fabulous. I can't wait to see the animals. Now, I may be a little old for the animals, but there is nothing like a big old cow to tell you you're at the fair. You have to speak their language. I love those cows. And when you get there early, and of course you can see the sheep, and you have to talk sheep. How do sheep go?
Exactly. I'm one of the last persons in the world that would ever harm a cat. I love cats. I had a cat as a child named Sheba. She had 7 kittens. I saw her having kittens. I thought, my cat's falling apart. But I actually saw her give birth to 7 little kittens. It was a huge learning experience.
Welcome to the Oklahoma Fair. Step right up, talk to our cow. $5, please.
Okay, I got in here free, you know.
Oh, the senior.
Yeah,
All right,
is
that's
there
no
a senior
problem.
discount for
Yes,
talking to the cow?
absolutely. It'll be $4.80.
Sounds like a deal.
Perfect. Oh, there we go. Oh, and here is your pamphlet. This is cow language.
Oh, Gwen, did you get me one too? Senior as well?
Senior, she doesn't look like a senior.
Oh, she's graduated.
Oh, okay. All right.
$4.80 and a nickel tip for you. You keep that.
Oh, you're too damn sweet. Y'all can share the pamphlet.
Listen,
Alright.
we actually have some concerns about the cow. This seems a little like animal cruelty.
Bessie.
She's liking it.
Okay.
There we go. He understands cow fairly well.
This is Mo. This is our friend.
Hi, Mo.
One free.
One.
Oh!
Holy shit.
So I'm showing Pickles.
Oh my goodness, how did you get them all lined up like that?
Isn't it beautiful? You should see my okra. It took 7th place. Do you know there's a lavender ribbon for 7th place.
Oh.
There are different colors of ribbons clear through 13th place.
How did you get all of those little okras to line up like the Taj Mahal?
It's remarkable, isn't it? It's a spell.
Really?
Yes.
You have more talents than I knew I
I am
had.
a kitchen magician.
You have a black cat too.
I do.
She's been over to my house and she tried to get into my okra. You're not trying to sabotage me next time I try to do my okras like that.
Oh, no, not when you do them in the shape of the Taj Mahal.
Alakazam! There are 7 different colors.
Uh-huh.
Each one represents something that you will do with the right amount of alcohol.
I have been waiting for this my entire life. I'm in green right now. That means go.
Green? Wow, you know your stoplights.
Yes, I do.
Congratulations, go ahead, have a
So,
sip.
1 PBR.
Uh-huh.
And
Free shot from the floor.
free shot.
There you go, you have earned your green band.
All right, so what do I have to do to get the purple?
To get the purple, you're gonna have to do more with your mouth.
For my hair, it's a treatment.
Excuse me, is this A47? Are you an A46?
Normally people don't talk that loud at a funeral.
Excuse me,
People don't usually make.
is this A45?
Yes, that's A45.
That's A45, great.
That's right.
Thank you.
I hope they play some decent
People
music.
don't usually bring their own chairs to funerals.
I just wanted it to match my outfit.
You're talking too loud.
Too loud?
Too loud?
Too
What?
loud.
I can barely hear it.
Well, he's dead.
No, not him.
Oh,
Him.
dead.
Yeah. I don't need to talk to him. He's dead. He doesn't care.
Mr. Jensen, the librarian, was very sensitive about loudness.
How do they know how I feel? They can't imagine what it feels like to be a librarian in a box.
I imagine that he's fairly upset by all the loud talking.
I don't know. He checked out.
I'm seeing what it would be like at your funeral if you continue to be a curmudgeon-y ass librarian. And people will be rude at your funeral. You gotta change. I'm the ghost of the past.
Oh, angel of death, I don't think that I can change. I've been raised A to Z and I'm proud of it.
I came all this way just to turn in the book that I'd had for so long.
No more fees for that one.
But I thought I would just put it in the coffin.
Just because your curmudgeon-y ass ways, and that's a real technical term, just because they get books returned doesn't mean it works. See, look what happens next.
Mr. Jensen had this, he checked this book out to me about curmudgeon-y asses. It's a technical
A field
journal.
guide?
A field guide to
Curmudgeon-y asses.
Yes.
I loved that book.
Well, maybe you should put it in there with him. Maybe he'll appreciate it.
Oh, do.
Oh, look, they're calling us up one at a time now. I'm going to go up. Can you guys be a little quieter?
Sure.
No problem.
Absolutely.
Go right ahead.
Now's my chance to get the book back.
Back up. No, just wait.
What do you think he's gonna do now?
Nothing. He's dead.
I thought he'd never die.
Me too.
My God, now we can finally get rid of that damn card catalog.
Ooh. He's rolling over right now. He's still hard.
You can't die twice. You can't die twice. You're already dead.
They can't get rid of the card catalog.
No, we're switching to an all-computer system.
That's right, that Dewey Decimal System, that's a thing of the past, and we're gonna burn all the microfiche.
Perfect. On
Yes.
that note, I think book banning should be a thing now.
Oh, definitely with our new president. He's all for
about
it.
that.
Yeah.
Lucky us.
I know.
I could just die.
Too late.
Bury him with his fingers. I mean, his fingers.
He's like this
Yes.
in the casket.
I wonder what that
So I'm just thinking,
means. You're thinking?
Well, one time. One time. I'm thinking, if I'm going to be the bride, everything should be about me.
That's not the first time you've had that thought, but I tend to agree nonetheless.
Right. So we're here at Barnes & Noble. We need to get the best of the best bridal books. What to expect when you're expecting to
Expecting
be
the wedding.
wed.
Yeah.
Yes, expecting a wedding. Well, that's way better than what I had. So, and I assume since you're the maid of honor, you're paid.
Yeah, sure.
Hey, I mean, you work here, Janine. You work at Barnes & Noble, so I was hoping
You're
you could
right.
get
You're
this
right.
up.
So you don't want this one by Cynthia Rose. She's been twice divorced.
Ooh, yes. I am also twice divorced.
Maybe you want this by Cynthia Rose.
So I do. Well, no, that's in my past life, and I'm not acknowledging that. Robert doesn't know about that.
Sure.
So we're not going to acknowledge it by purchasing a book about it.
Okay, well, this one by Margaret Hasselhoff is all about polyandry, which is different from polygamy.
Please explain.
Well, you see, polygamy, one man has multiple wives, and this is a way to reproduce more. This is when populations are dwindling. Polyandrous is the other way around. One woman has all the dudes.
So she can get pregnant a lot?
Or not.
Okay.
There you go. Is that more up your alley?
Well, I'd have to talk to Robert, but yeah, let's it's an open idea.
Okay, sure.
That was just an open idea. But I thought that the bride, since she loves cats so very much.
She does love cats. My daughter would rather have cats than anything. Ask her first two husbands. Oh, no, we're not bringing that up. No.
Shush. No, but I was thinking maybe a Hello Kitty thing.
Oh, she loved that! Let me see the wedding cakes you have here with that Hello Kitty theme.
Of course. Here, now I had several baked. Oh, please move that chair. I had several baked up. You
That
had
is wonderful.
You have Hello Kitty sports.
Yes.
And you have Hello Kitty at the casino.
I like the Hello Kitty Barbie.
Yes, she even comes with the little pink car.
Sit, cat. No, I need to drive. Cat, move over. Your paws are sweaty. Cat car syndrome. Now, when I'm driving, I don't want you squirming around. I don't want you getting under the seat or climbing up in the windshield, okay? Cat? Okay. You're doing good so far. Don't make me drive back to the house again. You're putting your paw under the... Cat, do you know I'm talking to you? Maybe I should have given you a better name than Cat. Oh no, it's not. I'm just, my driveway's right there.
Oh, Roger.
I'm here on the motorcycle with my bulldog.
Does this require?
Rough.
This is Cat.
Yes. You're doing well, actually.
Hello, Cat.
This is the furry meetup I talked about. You should just play along.
Is this your owner?
So, why did you stop?
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Shake! Nice dog.
My dog told me that you needed to be stopped, and he's never wrong.
Goggles off. Oh, there I can see his eyes. My cat's wearing a vest.
She looks good in the vest.
Mm-hmm. It covers all 8 of her nipples.
So there I was. I was looking out the window and I could see birds and stuff. Well, I don't get to touch birds and stuff, but oh boy, I bet they taste really good. and so I looked at that bird and I said, I told that bird what for. Boy, oh boy. And then I took a bath. Food!
What should come bird.
Did you see that idiot, Cat?
Idiot.
She can't get through that glass door. She keeps thinking she can.
Do you want to go out?
It's like he's never gonna let her out. She obviously isn't vaccinated.
Are you okay?
She's doing that weird chirping thing where they chirp at birds.
You want some catnip? Are you?
Okay.
Oh no! You're climbing the screen. You're going to tear up the screen. I'll have to give you the sedative shots.
She's getting in trouble again.
I'm flipping her off with my wing.
Yeah.
They expect us to bounce more.
Cats can only bounce
So high! I
All right. Well, I guess we should practice.
know! You first.
Do you want us? They want us bouncing off furniture or floors? What?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
All of it.
All of it.
Each
They
other.
want you to bounce off anything you can. Anything that has a surface that produces a normal force, they want you to bounce off of it.
All right. With the same forces coming in.
Absolutely. Otherwise, you'll just go through the damn wall. They don't
Ah,
want to see
good
that.
point. All right. I'll start. Ready and.
Watch your tail. Watch your tail.
Oh man, that rocker.
Good.
I'm okay.
I appreciate you whittling me a wedding ring, Pa.
Well,
Especially since you can't afford the dowry.
it's kind of old-fashioned. This
I know,
is.
but this is Oxford, Missouri.
Here, let me check. We'll check the size. Yeah.
Yep, my ring finger is the exact same size as my tiny nose.
To find you a husband.
Well, by the time you get that riddle, I'm gonna have one. I've sent out tweets,
How so?
pigeons.
Well, Pa, I appreciate you whittling me a college diploma. Since you can't pay for my tuition or anything.
I'm glad you didn't say cock ring.
Do you have one of those for me too? Oh, hell yeah! Put me in school.
Hey, Pa, I really appreciate you whittling me that there diaphragm.
I followed the instructions on the internet.
They got instructions?
They sure do.
I don't know if that's there big enough. I got a pretty large place back there.
Well, I'm not sure what you mean because I never really figured out how I conceived you anyway. One day.
I don't think Pa knows how to reproduce.
But he had kids.
He had kids, Mom, but he thinks you're with child now just because he whittled another cock ring.
And he thinks that's all it takes?
He's not sure. We've got to educate him.
All right.
Now that I'm married and I'm also with child.
I'll tell you what. Let's sit him down and do the slideshow.
Pa!
Paul, come on in here. You can bring your whittling with you. I'll let you do it in the kitchen for just a minute now.
Does he know about the intervention?
Can I have a coffee?
Sure. And while you're having your coffee,
I see you have the slide machine set up.
I'm gonna dim down these lights and we're gonna show you the male anatomy.
I'm turning my chair.
Yeah. Now, have you ever seen anything quite like that before? Let's talk about the target area, Paul. The area that the slide is now pointing
You
at.
mean the water hose?
Yeah, the water hose. Now, Paul, when you thought I was getting parched inside. Well, yeah, and did you notice that approximately 3 seasons later, we had another little one?
You mean 3 kiwi seasons?
That's right, 3 kiwi seasons.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you ever put that together before? Now let's see diagram B, where you actually see the man taking care of his wife's parching.
Now, Paul, I don't mean to scare
Push the
you.
button, I want to see it.
All right, here we